MIR protocol is a venture used to make manufactured options in contrast to certifiable resources in basic terms. These manufactured resources are called M-assets and mirror the very cost of the resource they have been bound to and can, obviously, be exchanged on optional business sectors like TerraSwap AMM and Ethereum's Uniswap. The venture is from an organization named Terraform Labs. M-assets right now mirror US values and ETFs, yet logical be included what's in store. MIR protocol is a decentralized undertaking that is represented by the local area through the MIR token that is likewise utilized for marking. MIR protocol values being decentralized and local area administered. Despite the fact that Terraform Labs established it, they have no advantage capability. The group at Terraform didn't even premine the token. The task at first associated its environment with the Ethereum organization to give clients the likelihood to exchange on Uniswap. As the venture developed, it additionally got itself together with the Binance Shrewd chain. Today, even the BSC People group can make tokenized engineered resources instituted on MIR protocol. All resources that are at this point on the stage are tokenized US values. Nonetheless, this won't generally be the situation. MIR protocol gives clients the likelihood to make what might be compared to any resource. Later on, M-assets could incorporate work of art, land, valuable metals, products, fiat and cryptographic forms of money, and much more. There has proactively been a lot of talk and interest locally about printing bonds, prospects, and different subordinates as M-assets. As we referenced before, MIR being a totally decentralized project implies that the local area assumes a critical part in its administration. All clients need to do to take part in the dynamic cycle is stake the MIR token. The more a client secures in the framework, the really casting a ballot power he has. All individuals can propose new administration changes to the protocols. To do as such, clients have first to stake some MIR. What's more, assuming the local area dismisses your proposition, the marked MIR will be scorched. Then again, on the off chance that the proposition is acknowledged, the MIR administration agreement naturally executes it. The entire interaction is totally decentralized. Not even the Land Labs pioneers have any leader abilities. Genuinely permissionless and totally decentralized. What crypto should be. Recommendations are talked about in the Stages Wire bunch that counts in excess of 11,000 individuals on MIR protocol's discussion and subreddit. Recommendations are shown and can be decided in favor of on their site. Market cost forecast. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-26 plus 2.57% $0. 1646-2023-01. 27 plus 3.90% $0. 1667-2023-01. 28 plus 0.33% $0. 1610-2023-01. 29 0.36% $0. 1599-2023-01. 30 1.77% $0. 1576-2023-01. 31 plus 8.06% $0. 1734-2023-02. 01 plus 5.66% $0. 1695-2023-02. 02 plus 4.65% $0. 1679-2023-02. 03 2.44% $0. 1565-2023-02. 04 plus 0.19% $0. 1608-2023-02. 05 plus 6.05% 17 cents. MIR protocol value expectation 2023. High expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance pondered vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will presumably see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb plus 3.43% $0 1659. 2023 Blemish 8.07% $0 1475. 2023 APRA 4.02% $0 1540. 2023 May 3.31% $0 1551. 2023 Gen 0.09% $0 1603. 2023 Joel 1.26% $0 1584. 2023 AUG plus 0.74% $0 1616. 2023 SEP plus 13.33% $0 1818. 2023 OCT plus 5.42% $0 1691. 2023 NOV plus 9.68% $0 1760. 2023 DEC plus 20.08% $0 1927. 2024 Jan plus 15.20% 18 cents. MIR value forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees MIR coming to 46 cents in 2025. What will MIR be worth in 5 years? The cost of MIR in 5 years could lie around 28 cents. MIR protocol value forecast 2030 to 2040. What MIR protocol will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees MIR protocol coming to $1.16 in 2030. What MIR protocol will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees MIR protocol coming to $2.31 in 2040. Will MIR protocol supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, MIR protocol won't supplant or surpass BTC. Will MIR protocol reach $10? Indeed, MIR protocol could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Will MIR protocol reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for MIR protocol to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Will MIR protocol reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for MIR protocol to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is MIR protocol worth purchasing? We are backers of respectably hazardous money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of large cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with immense potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, MIR protocol merits purchasing. Is MIR protocol a wise speculation? MIR protocol is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a dangerous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will MIR protocol be worth? For the transient future, it could reach 13 cents. In the long haul, it could leap to $1.16 or considerably higher. For what reason will MIR protocol succeed and become more expensive? MIR protocol has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees MIR protocol ascending to $1.16 in 2030. For what reason will MIR protocol fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are grouped